Okay, now we talk about the market data. If you are in this business, you may know there's a mature series of best practice to capture the signal of trading, and for example, Alpha 001 is one of it. So let me demonstrate how to leverage Python libraries such as pandas to build a UDF to easily process such data. Okay, so this is the CQ for create a Python-based UDF or user-defined function. This feature is coming soon and in the early access phase. If you have interest to trying it, let us know. So basically, this is using the CQ syntax for you to create your UDF by embedding your Python code. So for example, this Alpha 001, take a 2 float. You can leverage NumPy and pandas to do the processing. In this case, we are not doing very sophisticated logic. It's mainly like a rolling window to figure out what's the average for the past 5 windows, something like that. Let me create this function together with sample data from a CSV file. So this is my local server, and I can, using CQ, to create such new Python-based function. And one thing to notice that is this feature is very powerful because it can leverage your local Python environment and the Python library to do many things. So this feature probably will not be available in the Timeplus cloud because the cloud is meant to be multi-tenant and secure. But if you deploy Timeplus Enterprise locally, you can choose one of your local Python environment. So we do test with a different version of Python, but you can also choose your Python library to use. There are some built-in optimization for Timeplus to better work with pandas and NumPy, and let us know if you need us to do more performance tuning for other Python libraries. Okay, the new function is created. Let me create a test stream and load some data. So now I create a new stream with some columns, and I will run our new Python UDF on this stream, and this is going to be a streaming query, so it will wait for the new event. As you can see, that is it's processed, and based on the rolling window, it efficiently process all the data and come with the result. And remember, all the logic is implemented using NumPy and pandas, and it is very efficient. And feel free to share your use cases about which Python library you are using and what problem you can solve with this new Python UDF.